Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to contact Amazon customer service. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the Amazon Shopping app. Launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to contact the Amazon customer service, here you can see the three-line icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Now over here, you can see customer service section. Tap on it. In this page, you will see different categories of options. So you can select the category in which you are facing the problems. Right beside the topic, you can see the view all option. Tap on it. Now select further detail in which you are facing the problem. Or you can just randomly select anyone. Here, it will have the answers to your problems. But if it still doesn't help you, here you can see I need more help option. Tap on it. From here, you have two options. Whether you can chat with the live customer agent or request a phone call from Amazon. Let's say if I want Amazon customer service to call me, or tap on request call now option, select your country code and provide your phone number over here and tap on this call me now button and you will receive a call from Amazon customer service department. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.